Salsa Verde for fish. We'll put the garlic in first, just a little bit crushed. Break it up a little bit and a little bit. We're just trying to get the heavy things done first. Whoops. And now I'll put the rest in. Parsley, garlic, baby capers, anchovies for a little salt, a little lemon juice, get the pip out, just a little bit of salt, a little bit of oil, maybe for such a small amount of salsa verde, a smaller jug may have been appropriate, so a little bit of a thinner net. Get a bit more oil. Still needs to be chopped a little bit more. I think it might need a little bit more lemon juice. I'll just see. A little bit more salt, a little bit more lemon juice, and it can use a little bit more oil as well. If you want, I like it quite rustic, I guess is the word. If you want to make a green oil, then you'll need to chop it a lot finer than this and strain it. But I like to get the plants matter. Salsa Verde.